We have a family reunion coming up tomorrow, so we're bringing cinnamon rolls. First, we're going to prep. So we're disinfecting the counter because this is where we're gonna roll these babies out.
So we got the milk warming up, which is how much milk?
A cup of milk.
1 cup of milk.
We're gonna add a half a cup of sugar, 1/2 cup sugar to that. To that yeast, and we're gonna just stir that up. And then when the milk is warm, you're going to add that to the sugar and the yeast. All right, I think the milk is warm enough. We're going to, we don't want the milk too warm because we don't want it to kill the yeast. We just want it to activate the yeast. So we're gonna put the milk in and stir it up a tad. Now, what it's going to do, it's going to take a minute to call what it's called is proof. So the yeast starts activating and the sugar and the warm milk will start doing that. And while we're doing that and waiting for that, we're going to melt this cube of butter in here. So by the time this cube of butter is melted, it should be about the perfect time. Butter is ready. Okay, first of all though, we're gonna, it's a little bit warm, so we're gonna add the eggs first. Now, at this part, I like to have everything ready because when you put the salt in, you don't want to kill your yeast. So I like to have everything ready so that we can go. Okay, so 2 teaspoons of salt. Okay. Then we're gonna start adding the flour. I'm gonna add 4.5 cups of flour. We're gonna add 4.5 cups and it's pretty much perfect. Now sometimes I like to start it mixing. Now if you have a mixer, you mix it for 6 minutes. You're gonna knead it for 6 minutes. If you're gonna knead it by hand, you knead it for about 10 minutes. Beautiful. That's not perfect. Right on. Okay. Look how gorgeous this looks. All right. Not my favorite.
Woke up. I woke up at like 5 o'clock.
Yeah, you did.
I did. Sienna woke me up.
Why? Oh, because she was going to work.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. So now we're gonna put this lovely dough in a bowl. So we cover that top with some butter, and then we turn it over, and we're gonna cover this, and we're gonna let it rise for an hour and a half. So here's the recipe. I found it at adapinch.com. Adapinch.com. Now we're gonna do that 3 times because we have to make several dozen for the family reunion. Look how gorgeous that is. That's going to be awesome. I added it 1 cup at a time, and that's how it turned out. That was awesome. Look at these beauties. They're beautiful. This one's almost ready. Look at them. They're going to be fabulous. Oh, that's interesting.
This is for 2 dozen.
Yes. Okay, so we're making a rectangle. As rectangular as we can. Now, the more rectangular it is, the better it's going to roll up and not give us some interesting ends. It's not perfectly rectangular here, but I think we can work with it. Cinnamon, Mom.
What are you making there, Autumn?
Filling.
She's making.
I said I got the feeling.
She's making
said
the
that already.
delicious filling.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Absolutely nothing.
Okay. So see how this is rectangular. I'm not a pro.
I just sneezed.
She's gone.
She's gonna go crazy.
You don't go crazy, girl. You don't know how to make raspberry filling?
Go crazy.
Where's Dad?
I do.
No, I don't know.
She.
He's at a store or something.
This is
man.
raspberry filling.
Why is he at the store?
Getting stuff. For
Why do
a
people
trip.
go to the store, Aaron?
He had to get me
He's
some more
been
pants.
gone for a long time.
Oh, he went to get a haircut with Ethan.
Dad got a haircut too.
Yep. You know how that is. Okay.
I thought that was funny.
So while she's working on that,
Yeah,
I'm
that
going
was
to
funny.
look at me. No, not me, but while she's working on that, I'm going to butter the pans.
Bread and butter
at
the
me.
pan.
I'm gonna
Look
butter them.
at this.
Wow.
This is so satisfying.
Yeah. What's in that?
Cinnamon and brown sugar. That's it.
Cinnamon and brown sugar. Brown sugar.
And it's freaking amazing.
Brown sugar we found is the beauty of the cinnamon rolls.
Like last year when I was at dance and we were like doing Fonte turns
Yeah.
and I was like, we were saying watch me whip because you whip
Oh,
when
yeah.
you do it. 'Cause
Oh,
that's what
right.
Fonte
Yes,
means.
I remember
It's
you doing
whip.
that.
Fonte
Yes.
means whip. So we were like, watch me whip, you know, we like do the turn. And
Yes.
then, like, watch me shine. Yeah.
We're gonna roll this baby.
Oh, guys, it's the dogger. Is it UPS?
Yes. I think so because
Is it my room? Thank you.
I got a package! Yes, it's mine! Yes!
Dang it, I want my package.
Yes! 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 It's like Christmas. Just in time for our trip. Yes. 2 of them. Actually, I don't know. We'll see. It's 3 of them. I'm gonna cry. Look how big this one is.
Can I read that?
Yes. Yeah, you can.
Sweet.
Okay, let me put
hey
it down.
now.
Oh, cinnamon rolls. Still working on
I'm
it.
like, hey now.
And that one's really small, but it looks okay. Page Homes, yeah. Last but not least, what is it?
Near it, Polly.
Yes.
What is that? Who's author? Who wrote?
Jody Headland. You know what that means? There's only one more book out there, and it'll be shipped soon.
Okay. Okay. Well, I guess that's always exciting.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
legit.
Ma'am.
I'm so excited!
Good.
Okay, so you rolled up the thing. Now you're gonna cut it with floss.
Okay, and
interesting.
it's to be about 1 inch, but I kind of just eyeball it.
Because she's pro, but don't try it at home.
Oh, I get a different angle.
But sometimes when I eyeball it, they don't turn out good, so yeah, no. Thanks. So we'll see what we get. Fix up the roll if it starts to do.
Wow, those look perfect.
Just wait until they're baked.
There you go. Get it out.
And glazed. Dust.
And a little bit
Autumn, do your
of
job.
cinnamon dust.
Cinnamon dust. Yes.
Cinnamon dust.
Faith, trust, and a little bit of cinnamon dust.
Come on, girl.
That's my motto.
Your hands. You don't
Along
know if your
with-
hands are even clean.
Along
so
with
you're not
Hakuna
supposed to touch
Matata.
it. Hakuna
Put that one in
Matata.
half.
Yeah, you only need 2 more.
That would be gorgeous, but okay. Well, I will.
You only need 2 more. Why?
Fine.
What's wrong with that?
Well, because this one's a little.
Because this one's
lofty.
tall and this
Yes.
one's tall.
That's why I
Look
didn't
at
want to
that.
do that.
Those
ones turn out-
Ethan ate.
Those turn out yummy.
Remember when
Even though
Ethan
some-
ate?
Most people like this.
And-
See, that one got a little too small. Okay,
Just take some off of here and put it with that.
with that one, should I do it?
See, that's what I like about
Do it with
cookies,
this one.
is because you can do that.
That's true.
My beautiful books. They're so beautiful, I'm gonna cry. Okay, here's another one. We're gonna do the raspberry. I hope that's enough. I hope that's enough for the middle. It should be. Because it kind of oozes when you roll it anyway if you have too much.
Yeah.
So, this is the raspberry one. I put them in the oven. Hold the bottom because it's kind of crazy.
This?
Yep. Hold the bottom. Make sure there's space in between. All right, they're going in.
How long?
20 minutes. Well, start with 15 and then we'll see. Okay. Back to our raspberry. Wow. All I can say is wow. Okay, so I gotta tell you a little thing here.
Oh, be fine.
This is the first time I've done them like this. So this is like a little experiment. So
Look at those beauties.
Yum!
Those look beautiful.
I think we've got just a couple more minutes.
These are getting ready to go in the oven.
Couple more minutes. We're gonna glaze / frost.
Look at that. Yummy goodness. Is this heaven or what?
I don't know, is it?
It will be once it's in my belly. Here are the raspberry filled ones. Yeah, those look so good.
Ta-da! It takes longer.
Oh, look at that. Orange rolls.
Those look yummy.
Raspberry, cinnamon, raspberry, orange. Yeah.